po sa mga friends ko dito. Pero yun nga, sa mga pupunta dapat sa Jed's Island Resort, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Okay guys, ito na talaga. Sa mga pupunta po dapat bukas sa Jed's Island Resort sa Kalumpit, Bulacan. Unfortunately, dahil po sa weather, hindi na po tayo matutuloy dahil syempre, ang priority po namin ang safety ng lahat. So magkita-kita na lang po tayo sa August 10. Maraming salamat po. Kita-kits po sa August 10. Bye! Hello po sa inyong lahat sa mga dapat pupunta bukas sa Jed's Kalumpit, Bulacan. Unfortunate, sa Jed's Island. Tama si Jan. Sumama ka na. Gusto mo?
When life gets too serious, hit refresh with San Miguel flavored beer. 38 pesos SRP lang. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee. Swak sa budget, panalo sa sweetness.
Life refreshingly sweet with San Miguel flavored beer.
Hi guys! So nasa shoot kami today and habang mini-makeupan ako, pwede ba bantayan niyo muna si Mr. Kyle Echari for me? Diyan ka lang.
For you?
Yan.
Ang gagawin ko.
Kayo na bahala sa kanya. Mag-makeup lang ako.
Hello po. Alam ko na gagawin ko. Hi guys, how are you guys? So today, dahil iniwan sa akin yung cellphone niya at mag-video tayo. How are you guys? Bag raid blights bag. Bag raid blights bag. Okay. What's in the bag? Tsokolate, syempre, hindi nawawala yan. Next. Comb. Wala akong buhok. May earphones. Ang ganda naman ng earphones na to. Uy! In-ears. Hanap na in-ears. Ano pa? Uy! Uy! Guys, yun yun. May lucky box dito si Blythe. Yan natin. Ano naman ito? 1, 2...
Uy, wait lang. Teka lang. Hindi pa ito nalalabas.
Sorry.
Sabi ko, bantayan. Ito, ang kulit-kulit
Sorry,
mo.
boy.
Hello vlog! What's up? What's down? Yes, these are the Filipino merienda, aka snacks. First, we have here the ginataang bilo-bilo. Yes, it has like a lot of ingredients. Yes. And this one,
Yes.
this one is the kamote Q.
What's that?
Kamote Q. It's a sweet potato that has a lot of sugar. It's sweet and sugar.
Is it?
Sweet potato.
It's fried, right? Fried.
Yes, it's being cooked in a brown sugar
Okay.
with minola oil. Brand.
The other
And the
one?
last one is the palitaw.
Palitaw. What is it?
Yes, the palitaw is like I really don't know, but it's yummy.
It's rice.
It's glutinous rice. Glutinous rice.
Yes.
Rice.
Yes.
And then how do you eat it? How do you eat it?
When you eat it, it's like this, and then you mix it with nyog. It's the coconut, and
Okay.
then the sugar with a little bit of sesame seed.
Oh.
It's like you, palitaw.
Can you teach us how
Sometimes
to?
you're there, sometimes you're gone. Palitaw.
Hindi, mali.
You're there. Lulubog, lilitaw.
Yun.
Yes, sa saradong.
Can you teach us how to make one?
Yes, of
Okay.
course. I can
So you
teach
take
you.
you
So
take
you
one
take this.
piece. Okay.
It's like tikoy in Chinese.
And then
And then you put this coconut
okay.
there, and then you put this sugar with sesame seeds,
Okay.
and you smell it, and that's it. You won't chew it. I'm full already. Thank you. Bye.
Please like.
It's our channel.
Please like.
Let's go.
Please share.
Nakalokohan na tayo dito, ah!
Me too, I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, she's in the Philippines right now. Like, when will you go back? No. Yeah, Ate Jo, because I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her? Yeah, thank you. You po.
Pag hindi mo nahulaan yung direct lagot.
Mata pa lang, hirap ano.
Mata lang. Sino hindi pa nahulaan?
Para palungkot naman. Masaya dyan sa...
Ang lungkot na expression eh. Si 150 Ang tagal! Sige, bravo rin. Bigyan mo lang. Pink! Oo nga naman.
Pangiti-ngiti lang kami, pero kami depreso. Peki ang ngiti, kaya pa ba to? Para kung nasa preso. Pangiti-ngiti lang ako, pero ako'y depreso. I worked late last night, kasama singer. Ngayon naman, ako ay actor. Si Sam call time, pahinga walang time. Para kong baby, gustong mag-cry-cry.
Excuse me po, sorry. Ay, sorry.
Thank you. Excuse. Pakiclear po.
Okay, over here, guys. Okay, one, two. Okay, 1, 2. One more.
Thank you. One more here. Pass it over here, guys. Okay, 1, 2. Last one. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Excuse me, bro. That's nice.
Here. 1, 2. Sir? Alright, sorry. Okay, 1, 2.
One shot video after.
Alright, guys.
One shot video after. Okay, let me see your here, guys. 3, 2, 1, girl. Here. Okay, talk to each other. Alright.